Nakakalungkot isipin, very heartbreaking. She has been a big part of our lives bilang Sanchay. I think this is an opportune time for us all to love our families, our friends, give time to each other, forgive if we need to, and I just pray that God will comfort her family and friends. To be recognized as the voice of Sanchay was a humbling experience po. I was really, really grateful when we were invited to be a guest sa mga TV programs at saka sa mga radio programs po. Ito po yung paborito kong eksena nung sinuntok ni Sanchay si Tao Mingse.
Tao Mingse! Isa kang duwag! Lalaki ka ba o hindi? Bakit mo nagawa ito sa akin?
Hindi po ako nagkaroon ng opportunity na ma-meet si Sanchay. I would have loved to. Nakikiramay po ako sa kanilang lahat at sa mga fans ni Barbie all over the world. She may be gone, but Sanchay lives on. She is in our hearts forever. Makes me think po na life is indeed short. I want to take this opportunity to thank God for all His blessings, to send love to all my family at sa mga kaibigan ko po around the world. At sa lahat po ng mga tumangkilik sa Meteor Garden, na patuloy na tumatangkilik sa Meteor Garden, maraming salamat po. I felt the love. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga messages na natanggap ko sa Messenger. It has been a privilege para magbigay ng boses kay Sanchay sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po.